people say, love is not about what's displayed. It's about the purity stored in the deepest heart. Don't know why, since I met you. I understand the meaning of that statement. Page by page, we write together, word by word, until we're satisfied with our story. 'Cause love is the only thing that's read in it. Our story is amazing. Of course, not every occasion is gleeful, but we accept pain, like how cheeks accept falling in tears. Doesn't matter if others don't know and acknowledge it, since both of us are enough for us.